Good afternoon from the Netherlands. 4 years ago we started more or less at the other side of the road in a new building. Now it's completely filled up with bikes. And we are growing and doing more and more bikes. So we also need more space. So we added this building. And we need more service and repair and maintenance. And Johan is the guy, the specialist who is doing that all.
I'm going to try it.
And so we're going to show you our plans. So the next months we are busy with, well, to get everything in order.
Yes.
So it's still a bit of a mess. Like this will be gone. Johan, maybe you can tell something about the plans.
On our new workshop with the dyno and.
Maybe you can show around a bit. So here's a lift.
Motor lift, example, tires, balance tires.
Tires.
Yeah. It's just we clean up. We just begin, but in the spring it must be ready for operating.
Yeah.
With
now
liftings.
Now Johan is working, I think 20 minutes from this place. He has his own workshop place, and he's doing that for 35 years already. And I know he's very good at all he's doing, always finding a solution for whatever it is. So you can see here, this bike is now ready. It's going to Canada. It's still not ready, but there in the back will be another
bench.
Yeah, a bench. Yeah. And this is to order beer, huh?
Yeah.
Or not?
Yeah. It's the coffee corner.
The coffee corner is right here.
Yeah.
Now on that side, you can see in the back. I'll walk through to it. It's a test bench for.
ECU tuning, flashing, some maintenance on injection bikes, carburetor bikes, to testing all the stuff for motorbikes.
Yeah, and so there will be a specialist here who's going to start up his own company, but in real cooperation with us. So he can help us with maintenance, and of course he can do some specialistic job on this.
Tuning work, ECUs, flashing, everything electronic on bikes, motorbikes.
Yeah. So started painting. Well.
Yes, the beginner's done.
We started, and well, here's a lot of bikes. Also some projects. It's really a bit cold now. Upstairs we also have place. I can show you, and maybe. Maybe turn on the light. Turn on the light. Hi there.
Hello.
Well, here even a bigger mess. But we'll clean it up. Now we have here a nice place to sit down, as long as we have the space to do that, of course.
Yes.
Now here's some paintwork from bikes. We have to mount, and here
is the who call it in English magazine.
Yeah, it's he can. We have some parts in stock. So new chapter in Vintage Motorcycles. We are adding service, and estimate we will be ready around, I think, April.
Yeah, we hope so.
Yeah.
April.
So we want to do it in the right way. Here are a lot of bikes that need to be shipped already. And here, this is the office. You can see no computer yet, but we have a lot of nice things to put on the wall. Oh, yeah, all coming from like a private museum. It's a Benelli sign. Also these old, you can see MV, Motomarini, Gilera, Guzzi, Legends of Honda. Verder. Oeh, moet ik goed zien.
The
Last Amachi.
Yeah.
Well, so a lot of work to do, but it will be nice, I think. And
Next month we made another video
yeah,
to put the progress.
yeah, we'll keep you updated about the development here, and we can't wait till it's ready. Then we can work more efficient, and well, we can help you even better and faster than we already do. Okay, thank you, Johan.
Bye.
Bye.
Next time.
Keep following us. Bye bye.